Gum disease is a common condition affecting the gums and the supporting structures of the teeth. It's usually caused by plaque. If you notice some bleeding when you brush your teeth, or you think that your gums look a bit swollen or red, you may be suffering from an early sign of gum disease. This is known as gingivitis. If gingivitis is left untreated, it can lead to a more serious condition known as periodontitis. Periodontitis affects the bone and the supporting structures that hold the teeth in place, and this can unfortunately lead to tooth loss over time. That's why it's really important to be removing plaque effectively every day. There are also other factors that can contribute to gum disease, such as smoking and diabetes. If you're at all concerned that you might be suffering from gum disease, please don't hesitate to come and see me in the practice. We recommend that you brush your teeth for 2 minutes twice a day to help keep on top of plaque. So I'm just going to demonstrate an electric toothbrush technique for you that we're looking for. So take your electric toothbrush and just hold it on each tooth at a time, making sure that the bristles contact the gum line. Just holding it on each tooth at a time for a few seconds and moving it along in a methodical approach. It's also important not to forget the harder to reach areas, like the backs of the teeth. And it's really important to make sure that the bristles are contacting the gum line, as this is where the plaque starts to build up first. I would always recommend an electric toothbrush over a manual toothbrush. However, if you really prefer a manual one, I'm going to show you the correct technique for this as well. So what we're looking to do is make sure that the bristles, again, contacting the gum line, circular motions. Again, moving it along methodically, and you can see that the sweeping action of the toothbrush will be sweeping away any plaque that's sitting around the gum line. And again, not forgetting the harder to reach areas. Circular motions. And again, just moving along in a methodical approach, making sure not to miss any areas. As well as brushing your teeth, it's also important that we're cleaning in between the teeth every day, as plaque can accumulate here and your toothbrush doesn't remove this effectively. So I will just show you a brush that you can use to do this. So you'll notice that there's little gaps in between the teeth where plaque can accumulate. So what you want to do is take your brush, pop it in between the space, and just back and forth a few times. This will remove the plaque effectively here. It's important to note that one size of brush won't fit all, therefore it's important to speak to myself and I can size you up for the different spaces. So you can see this brush isn't going to fit through this space, therefore we would need a slightly smaller brush to access this area. So it's important to come and see me and we can size you up and see what kind of sizes you will need for your mouth.